This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, hello, hello. Is it audible? Okay. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Let's start. So, yesterday or in the previous class, we actually went for smart dustbin, and that was a successful. Only a fault was that Node MCU was a little bit, it was malfunctioning. Okay, the codes are going to be the same. Each and everything will be same. Only you have to do what you have to buy a Node MCU and an ultrasonic sensor. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Maybe it was malfunctioning here a bit. When you will do the experiment, definitely you will succeed. Same thing. And the code I will send you in the of that smart dustbin, I will send you right now. Okay, after the class, because I forgot to send that particular what to say codes. That is necessary. I will send you the code. Don't worry. So now you tell me, do anybody had any doubt with the previous experiment that we did? অমৃতাক্ষ কোনো অসুবিধা আছে লাস্ট এক্সপেরিমেন্ট যেটা আমরা করলাম? Any experiment that we did? Any? Tell me. Okay, wait. তিনটা ভেজি ওকে, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। তো ভেরি নাইস, লেটস মুভ ahead. Okay, let's move ahead. Now you tell me, that was our single project or that was the project or that was the project that we completed a single stage. Firebase এর ব্যাপারে জানো তোমরা? Next, what is a Firebase? Firebase কিসের জন্য ইউজ হয়, কোথায় ইউজ হয়? But let me think about the experiment. Give me 2 minutes. We will start. Let me think about it a bit. Okay, fine. So there was an audio problem, so I have to join from laptop also, and I have to join from phone also. ঠিক আছে, চলো start করি. So I will tell you about Firebase. Okay, I will tell you about Firebase. This Firebase, I will be using it. See, Firebase is designed in such a way that means once who is a also they can also use it. Those who are beginners also they can also try to use it. Okay, now with the help of the Firebase we can use a real-time database. Okay, we can use a real-time database, right? Hosting, cloud messaging, all these things are possible with the help of Firebase. Now remember that Firebase is a backend service. Okay, it's a backend service, means storage, and it is a real-time database. It is a real-time database, but basically it is used for what? It is used for mobile applications. Basically, it is used for mobile applications. Are you getting the point? It is basically used for mobile applications. Means real-time databases that are generally used for or basically designed for mobile applications. Now, in order to work with the Firebase, there are no prerequisites, because particularly Firebase doesn't require any server-side coding. It doesn't require any server-side coding. You just need to use it. Just need to use it. Means you should be proficient in using it, and you must have a knowledge of database. Okay. আচ্ছা, তুমি তো থার্ড ইয়ার, তোমাদের কাছে ডেটাবেসের নলেজ আছে তো সবার কাছে? Do everybody has knowledge of database? Database knowledge আছে তো? Hello, database knowledge of database. হ্যাঁ, the reason is that এখানে প্রচুর নেট ইস্যু আছে, that's why. এখন ক্লিয়ার আছে? এখন ঠিক আছে? yes database এর নলেজ আছে তো, মাইনার নলেজ তো আছে, খুব একটা বেশি নয়, অল্প। yes, SQL, okay, fine. Means it was there in your college semester, right? In your semester? Yes, that is enough, must means yes, DBMS, yes, that is enough. You must have some knowledge. See, even if you know SQL, even if you know SQL, so SQL is not required over here. Okay, because we are dealing with Firebase is not SQL based. Okay, it is NoSQL or non-SQL. Okay, SQL is not required here. You don't require SQL queries. Okay, so let's move ahead. I will tell you first of all how to deal with this Firebase. How to deal with this Firebase? In order to work with Firebase, always remember that you must have a Gmail account. You must have a Gmail account, because Google Firebase is a Google backend application development software. Okay, you need to have a Gmail account. Google Firebase, it's a Google backend application development software. Means which actually, this is the application development software which is actually allowing the developers to develop applications based on webs as well as Android as well as web applications. Okay, and it is designed in such a way that it can be used for storage, it can be used for to generate reports, it can be used for tracking analytics, right? It can be used to provide several tools, because several tools are itself present over there. Getting the point? Clear? So that's why it is so easy to use. That's why it is so easy to use. Now, Firebase has three main services. Okay, three main services. Either you can create a real-time database, that means you can use real-time database service. Then you can use user authentication as well as hosting. These are the three services that are provided by Firebase. What is the first? Real-time database, user authentication, and hosting. Okay, so these are the three. So which we are going to use? Obviously, we are going to use real-time database, because we are going to use it for storage, right? Okay, so we are not going to use user authentication and hosting. We are going to use the real-time database. So Firebase, we are using it, but question arises that sir, why we are using Firebase, why we are not using MySQL and Oracle? You may question, okay, why NoSQL? See, Firebase can manage real-time data in the database. Okay, Firebase can manage real-time data in the database, means it is so quick and easy in exchange of data, that MySQL and Oracle would not find it, means they are not so easy, means they are not so fast. Okay, they are not so fast. And for MySQL and for means any RDBMS, you need to write SQL queries to perform any single operation. From a simple operation to a complex operation, you need to write SQL queries. Apart from SQL queries, you won't be able to do anything. Here, Firebase, you don't need to write SQL queries. Okay, you don't need to write any server-side queries, or any server-side codings also you don't need to write. So these things are not required, as well as Firebase itself can manage. Firebase itself can manage the data that you are sending and receiving from the server so quickly and efficiently. Okay, that you just need to that it needs some chunks of microseconds. Okay, and your work is done. It is so fast. And the synchronization of data that Firebase is allowing synchronization of real-time data across the devices is quite fast. Means without refreshing, you'll be able to visualize the changes. Getting the point? Okay. Now, and the most important thing is that it belongs to Google. So Firebase application is said to be over secured connection. Why? Because Firebase server is a very secured. It's a very secured one, right? And one more thing, the dashboard of Firebase is very simple. Dashboard of Firebase is very simple. Okay, so these are the features of Firebase, right? And one thing, these are the features, means these are the pros. Okay, these are the advantages, but everything has a disadvantage also. So I would like to tell what are the disadvantage of Firebase. The disadvantage is that Firebase is very limited. Is very limited. Okay, and it is not widely used. It is very limited and it is not widely used. Even if it is free, it is not widely used. So these are going to be some of the limitations. These are going to be the some of the limitations of this particular Firebase. Apart from this, everything is fine. Okay, got the basic knowledge of Firebase? Do anybody has any question? Okay, fine. So what is going to be our next task? We will design an application. ওকে, yes, yeah, কি বলছো? Does it avoid redundancy? The same as other servers. Redundancy means what you are trying to say? Duplicacy of data. সেটা বলতে চাইছো তো পার্টিকুলার রেকর্ডস? Yes, redundancy avoid করে। হ্যাঁ, repeating, yes, avoid করে। Okay, you don't need to worry with that. Okay, getting the point? So let's move ahead. Can you tell me any applications or কোনো IoT কোনো আইডিয়া দিতে পারবে যেটা আমরা এখন পারফর্ম করব এটার উপরে? Can you give any idea? Any idea of the project? একটা প্রজেক্ট আমি করালাম, one project I did that is using IFDD, smart dustbin using IFDD. This is our second project. This is going to be our second project. What about the project like Google Firebase controlling LED? Google Firebase controlling LED. What do you say? কি বলছো? Google Firebase controlling LED. Isn't that would be great? Google Firebase controlling LED. Okay, Google Firebase controlling LED. Yeah, that's why saying good. What about the rest of the people? কেন ভালো লাগলো না? ঠিক আছে, চলো স্টার্ট করি। Now we have to write the program to control LED, that is on and off the LED using Google Firebase database and NodeMCU. Okay, Google Firebase database and NodeMCU. Now what we have to do, we have to make a slight changes like add pin connections and we have to set Firebase status. That's it. These two are the most important thing. What we have to do, we have to the major portion that we have to cover in this particular, when I'm sharing the screen. So new, এখানে তোমাকে যেটা করতে হবে বা আমাদেরকে যেটা করতে হবে এখানে সেটা হচ্ছে add pin connection. Add pin connection and set status. Add pin connection and set Firebase status. না ওইটা তুমি কি করে স্টোর করতে পারবে? মানে টাইম কতক্ষণ এলইডি অন ছিল ওটার জন্য তো তোমাকে ক্যালকুলেট করতে হবে না ডিউরেশন, রাইট? That would be stored, but you need to calculate that duration, না means you need to store that duration, না তোমাকে ওটার তো এখানে তো সবকিছু সেন্সর দিয়ে হচ্ছে each and everything, তাই না? তো তোমাকে ওই টাইমিংটা তো ক্যাপচার করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, ওটা তো তোমার আর তো ইয়ে নয়, মানে যেমনি মানে জাভাতে আমি কোড করে জাস্ট এমবেড করে দিলাম। বাট হ্যাঁ, ডেফিনেটলি ইট উইল বি স্টোরড ফর হাউ মাচ টাইম using, হ্যাঁ, তো using id commands, we will do it using id commands itself. Apart from id, what do we have? Do we have anything apart from id? Okay, we can do, we will do it using id only. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। ওকে, নাও ইজ ইট অডিবল? আরে মানে কি প্রবলেম হচ্ছে আমি এটাই বুঝতে পারছি না গো টু মিটিং এ। আই এম জাস্ট মানে যখন আমি ল্যাপটপ থেকে ঠিক হয়ে যাচ্ছে, যখন ল্যাপটপ থেকে যদি কানেক্ট করছি দেন ঠিক থাকছে, আবার 5 মিনিটস পরে এটা খারাপ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, আবার ফোন থেকে কানেক্ট, দেখো আবার ফোন থেকে কানেক্ট করলাম আমি। এনিওয়ে, দেখো পিন হাই টাইম এন্ড পি লাইন টাইম লো টাইম তো বলে দিলে হবে না, তোমাকে তো এর ভ্যালু গুলোকে ক্যাপচার করতে হবে, এটাকে তো এস্টাবলিশ করতে হবে না, তাই না? ইট ইজ ভেরি ইজি, মিন্স তুমি এটা হলো তোমার স্টার্ট টাইম, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার এন্ড টাইম, তুমি কতক্ষণ অ্যাক্টিভ থাকলে এই এন্ড টাইম মাইনাস স্টার্ট টাইম হয়ে গেল, তুমি আউটপুট পেয়ে গেলে। ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু এত সোজা করে বলে দিলে তো হবে না। হ্যাঁ, এটাকে এক্সপ্রেস করতে হবে, দেখো আমি করে দিচ্ছি, আমি বলছি। ওকে, আমি করে দিচ্ছি, দাঁড়াও। দ্য ফার্স্ট থিং, দ্য ফার্স্ট থিং, LED on off using Firebase. LED on off using Firebase. Let me start the Arduino IDE. It's going to be a very interesting one. Okay. Okay. So a new file has been created. A new file has been created. বন্ধ করে দিলাম। Wait. Okay. So the first means header files that we are going to add over here is hash include Firebase. Hash include Firebase.h. Okay, Firebase.h. These are the libraries that we are generally adding to deal with Firebase. Okay, এগুলো মনে রাখবে just Firebase.h. The next is Firebase Arduino. Firebase Arduino. Okay. Next is going to be Firebase Cloud Messaging. Okay. And next is going to be Firebase Error. It's going to be Firebase Error. Okay. The next is going to be Firebase HTTP client. Firebase HTTP client. And next is going to be Firebase object. LED Firebase. চলো এটাকে আমি সেভ করি। LED Firebase. Okay, that's it. Let's compile the code once and see all the libraries are okay or not. We have to wait a bit. Firebase.h. Firebase.h. No such file or directory. দেখো এখানে কি বলছে Firebase.h. No such file or directory. Firebase.h. No such file or directory. Wait. We have to go for some changes. So we are using Google Database Platform, but here we are facing some issue with this. Remove all this. We will have Firebase Arduino.h. We will have Firebase Arduino.h. Okay, and here we are going to use ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h আর এখানে হচ্ছে Firebase Arduino.h. দাঁড়াও কোডটাকে কম্পাইল করি। Okay, no such file or directory. Firebase Arduino.h. Firebase Arduino.h. তাই তো? Okay, so it is not recognizing this library. No issue. Not a big deal. So let's go to the tool. Go to manage libraries. Sorry, go to sketch. Go to include libraries. Go to manage libraries. search for Firebase. দেখো, wait, see, Firebase Arduino for Wi-Fi 101. Can you see? Okay, ঠিক একটু নিচে আসো। এখানে দেখো কি দিচ্ছে, Firebase ESP8266 client. দেখো, see this one, Firebase ESP8266 client. I just searched for Firebase and I got this. এটাকে ইনস্টল করতে হবে, এটাকে ইনস্টল করো। Install this, okay, and every problem will be sorted out. Each and every problem will be sorted out. Getting the point? Each and every problem will be sorted out. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, chalo. Our mona eta install hoye gelo. So this has been already installed. So close it. Again compile the code. Okay, it is showing again. It is showing error. ঠিক আছে, no problem. So let's get back to manage libraries again, and here again we have to search for the Firebase. Again we have to search for Firebase. Some more libraries are required. Okay, again we have to search for Firebase. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, we have to Firebase. So Firebase JSON, this also you have to install. এটাকেও চলো ইনস্টল। Okay, this has been installed. So এটাও ইনস্টল হয়ে গেল আর এটাও ইনস্টল হয়ে গেল। চলো ঠিক আছে, এটাকে ক্লোজ করি এবার। Now again let's compile the code. Let's see whether we are getting an error or not. Still we are getting an error. Okay, ঠিক আছে। That means a necessary library এখান থেকে install হচ্ছে না। Necessary library is not getting installed. No problem, no problem. If these are the problems, if these types of problem arises, go to Google. I will give you one what to say, তোমাকে দুটো লিংক দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, এখান থেকে তোমাদেরকে এটাকে ডাউনলোড করতে হবে। লাইক github.com/Firebase extended /Firebase /blob master ওকে, চলো এটাকে আমরা এই ইউআরএল এ যাব আমরা। ঠিক আছে, এই GitHub এর ইউআরএল টা। So this is the URL where we will generally go and we have to download this পার্টিকুলার লাইব্রেরি, এটাকে আমাদেরকে ডাউনলোড করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, এটাকে আমাদেরকে ডাউনলোড করতে হবে। We have to download this. I'm sharing you this link. I'm sharing you this link. I've shared the link in the group. Okay, in this chat, everybody, please ঠিক আছে, দাঁড়াও গ্রুপে শেয়ার করে দিচ্ছি, জাস্ট আ সেকেন্ড, একটু টাইম দাও। Okay, I've shared in the group. We need to download this. Okay, wait, এটা ডাউনলোড হয়ে যাক। Okay, it is already downloaded. Firebase Arduino. Okay, এটাকে ডাউনলোড করতে হবে। To the sketch, include libraries, and here can you see add zip library? Click on this zip library. Where you have downloads এ ডাউনলোড করেছি, তাই না? এখানে ডাউনলোডস এ দেখো, ডাউনলোডস এ গেলাম, Firebase Arduino, this one, Firebase Arduino master. ওপেন করো এটাকে। So it has been added. Now again, after adding this particular library by downloading it from GitHub, you will get an error. Still you will get an error. Okay, you will get an error. So again you have to go to Google and github.com/bblanchon/Arduino JSON. Okay, I'm giving you this again in the chat. Control V, চলো আমি এটাকে চ্যাটে দিয়ে দিলাম। ঠিক আছে, now the next is we have to download this also. এটাকেও ডাউনলোড করতে হবে। ওকে, এটাকেও ডাউনলোড করতে হবে, Let's download it. Okay, let's download it. And after downloading, wait, let me share it in the group. দাঁড়াও গ্রুপে শেয়ার করে দিই। Okay, I've shared this in the group also. Again, I've shared it in the group. Now what you have to do, Arduino, same thing, you have to go to the Arduino, include library, add zip library. ঠিক আছে, এখান থেকে আমরা ডাউনলোডস এ যাব, ডাউনলোডস এখানে আছে। ডাউনলোডস, so Arduino JSON-X. Okay, এটাকে ওপেন করো। Right, fine, uploaded. Both the libraries has been uploaded into the Arduino IDE. Now compile this code. এই কোডটাকে এবার কম্পাইল করো, চলো, কোনো এরর আসবে না, ঠিক করে দেখবে। Just have a look. No error will be there. কি হলো এটা? Okay, error compiling for board node MCU. Acha, it is error compiling for the board. That means the board is not yet connected. So that is not a very big deal. I'm just connecting the board using the USB. But let me connect the Node MCU board using the USB. Wait, just a second. ওকে চলো এবার কম্পাইল করি। দেখেন এখানে পোর্ট কি আছে, নোড এমসিইউ। এখানে পোর্ট কি আছে, কমন পোর্ট 4। Still it is saying line number 22 error compiling for board node MCU ESP12E। ঠিক আছে, এখানে বোর্ডে যাই। Let's go to the node MCU board, and here we are going to select this node MCU 12E, and here the common port is going to be 4, common port 4. Okay, now let's compile the code. Let's compile the code. Let's see. Error to হওয়ার কথা নয়, because these two are the link. But these two are the only link from where we can download it. Okay, invalid library. Firebase Arduino.h. Okay. Go to the sketch, then go to include libraries, go to manage libraries. আমার মনে হচ্ছে যে ফায়ারবেস এর জন্য আমি দুটো লাইব্রেরি এখান থেকে যেটা আমরা ইনস্টল করেছি ওটা এর সাথে কোলাইড করছে। দাঁড়াও, ওটাকে আনইনস্টল করতে হবে। মিন্স ডাইরেক্ট লাইব্রেরি যেটা আমরা ডাউনলোড করেছিলাম, দ্যাট লাইব্রেরি নিড টু বি আনইনস্টলড। Okay, that library need to be uninstalled. Wait. Wait. Let's see. হয়ে যাবে, এটা একটু প্রবলেম করে বাট হয়ে যাবে, ডোন্ট ওয়ারি। না, এখানে আমরা ফায়ারবেস ইনস্টল করেছিলাম তো, ফায়ারবেস, ইউ হ্যাভ টু সার্চ ফায়ারবেস। এখানে ফায়ারবেসটা সার্চ করি। আফটার সার্চিং ফায়ারবেস, দেখো এখানে দুটো লাইব্রেরি ইনস্টল ছিল। এই দুটো লাইব্রেরিটাকে এখানে ছিল তো, এটাকে সেটা তো ইনস্টলড, আনইনস্টল করার কোনো অপশন দিচ্ছে না। Okay, it's not giving any option to uninstall. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, let's go to the C drive users where the libraries are actually getting installed. ঠিক আছে, documents Arduino libraries, এখানে দেখো লাইব্রেরিজ গুলো এখানে ইনস্টল থাকছে। সো Arduino আছে, ব্লিঙ্ক আছে, Firebase ESP8266 এটা দরকার নেই, this one was installed, remove this. Again this one was by default installed, remove this. Now let's compile the code. Okay, it's still giving error. ঠিক আছে, okay, no problem. Take a break of 5 minutes. You take a break. You all take a break of 5 minutes, and I am solving this. Okay, we will just start after 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. ঠিক আছে, সমঝে তোমরা তো অ্যাকশন, everybody take a break of 5 minutes. Okay, we are back again. Right, we are back again, but the question arises still. চলো এটাকে একবার বন্ধ করি, আইডিটাকে একবার বন্ধ করি. Let's close the ID. Let's close the ID and let's start it again. আচ্ছা, সেম সলিউশন কিন্তু দিচ্ছে everywhere. It is giving the same solution. Same thing. This link is provided everywhere to download. Let me compile the code again. Still we are getting there. Okay. Multiple libraries were found for ESP8266 HTTP clients. ESP8266 HTTP client means we are getting multiple libraries in C, Rahul 1, 2, 3, 4 app data local Arduino 15 pages. Okay. Okay. C, Rahul. Here we have to go for app data, and we have to go for local, then we need to go for Arduino 15. Okay. Arduino 15. Inside Arduino 15 we have to go for packages, then we have to go for ESP8266 hardware, ESP8266 then hardware, then again ESP8266 and 2.4. Okay, so 2.7.4, then libraries, and here it is saying that multiple libraries found for ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. Okay, ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, ESP8266 Wi-Fi. Let me see. ESP8266 Wi-Fi. ESP8266 Wi-Fi. ESP8266. No, এটাকে delete করি. Let's compile the code. Okay, compiling for node MCU. Again there is a problem. HTTP client, ESP HTTP client 1 is there. ESP HTTP client.cpp, ESP HTTP client.h. Now let us compile. ওকে, সো এটা তো কম্পাইলিং হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আচ্ছা, ফায়ারবেস আর্ডিনো না নিয়ে এখানে যদি আমি ফায়ারবেস ডট এইচ, ওকে ওয়েট, ওকে ওয়েট। So here it is showing downgrade Arduino JSON to 5.3 13.1 and download Firebase Arduino library from. Everybody is saying to downgrade Arduino JSON and the Firebase library from this one, Arduino.jit. This Arduino ID, this requires a serious update. ওরা আপডেট কিছু দিচ্ছে না, এই আপডেট না থাকলে এটাই হবে, বলবে কিছু করার নেই। Arduino JSON, Arduino JSON.h, Arduino src Firebase master. If in file included from Firebase, you may want to install a lower version of Arduino JSON library like 5.3.2 instead of the beta version. Going back to 5.3.2 solved this issue for me. Okay, so sketch jai, go to manage libraries. Let's go to manage libraries. আজকে এরর সলভ করতেই পুরো দিনটা পেয়ে গেল।
ওকে, চলো এটাকে ইনস্টল করলাম, লেটস সি। Let's see whether this one is working or not. Okay, still it is giving error. Okay, no problem. So error compiling for Node MCU 1.0 ESP12V module. Okay, okay, fine. Let's see. So the problem is here. JSON 5.13.1 is not compatible with newer versions. আচ্ছা, এই হচ্ছে প্রবলেম। Then what shall we do? এখানে সলিউশন তো কিছু দেয়নি। কিছু সলিউশন তো দিচ্ছে না। আই থিঙ্ক উই জাস্ট নিড টু ডাউনগ্রেড ফায়ারবেস জেসন। ওকে, দেখো এখানে কি দিচ্ছে, সেম প্রবলেম। ডাউনলোড Arduino JSON master library and Arduino Firebase Arduino library from here. It is telling to download it from here. এখান থেকে ডাউনলোড করতে বলছে। চলো এখান থেকে ডাউনলোড করি। Let's download this. Same thing I downloaded. Then what is the difference between the two? It is telling to download Arduino JSON to this and again download it from Firebase extended Firebase Arduino. Firebase extended Firebase Arduino. Download Arduino JSON. Download Arduino JSON. Arduino JSON ঠিক আছে, এখান থেকে Arduino JSON ডাউনলোড করি, দেখা যাক। So they are telling to download the small means download Arduino JSON 5.13.2.zip. চলো এটাকে ডাউনলোড করি। Let's download 5.13.2. Okay, let's upload this. So this may be the problem as we got in the forum. Let's see, hope our problem will get sorted out. Again, same problem. Yes, Amritakshu, I'm there. I'm not able to find any solution to this problem, bro. I'm not able to find right now. I have to look into this matter. Hello, Amritakshu and everybody. Why? What is the problem? Means where they have given the update, I couldn't find anything over the net. I was browsing the internet. I was trying to find a solution to this, but I didn't find anything. Whatever I found, you can see I did everything to solve the issue, but it is not getting. No problem. These types of issues may arrive. Okay. When do we have our next class? On Tuesday, right? Okay. ঠিক আছে এটা হবে টিউসডে তে হবে we faced a issue while doing the project of that smart dustbin also, but it was solved. Similarly, this will also be solved. We will not drop our project. This project is final. Okay, LED controlling using Google Firebase. This is a final project. Even if we are getting a lot of problem, we will do this. Okay, we will do this 100%. This is possible. We will do this project only. We will not drop the project. Okay, you may leave for today. You may leave. Everybody, you may leave. No problem. Okay, you take care of yourself. Everybody take care of yourself. Okay, and thank you. Thank you.